You are not becoming fluent because of grammar. No. The real problem is, you still think English is a subject, not a language. Now I will tell you the biggest secret of speaking fluent English. Imagine you want to learn cricket. If you only read rules and watch YouTube videos, can you become a good player? No. Because to play cricket, you must go to the field and practice. English is the same. Why can't most people speak fluent English? Because 95% of people do this. First, they think in their native language, then they translate it into English, and then they speak. This process is very slow. That is why your mind becomes blank, your speaking stops, and your confidence becomes low. What do fluent people do? They do not make sentences with grammar rules every time. They use sentences directly. For example, you are thinking with grammar. I am going to school. But fluent people have heard this sentence thousands of times. So it comes out automatically. Now I will tell you 8 secret tricks to become fluent. Trick number 1. Fill your brain with English. The more you listen, read, and repeat, the more sentences will stay in your brain. Then English will come out automatically. This is called language input. Trick number 2. Use small sentences first. Do not try to speak very big sentences. For example, I think, I want this, I don't know, maybe later. Slow and simple English will become fast English slowly. Trick number 3. Stop translating. This is very important. When you see something, think about it directly in English. For example, I'm eating. It's hot today. Do not think in your native language first. At first, it will be slow, but later it will become automatic. Trick number 4. Use the shadowing method. This is a secret technique for fluency. How to do it? Play an English video. Repeat what the speaker says immediately. Copy the same accent. This will improve your pronunciation, your speaking speed, and your confidence. Trick number 5. Daily self-talk. Talk to yourself in English. Speak about what you are doing all day. This helps your brain think in English. Trick number 6. Memorize ready-made sentences. Do not only learn grammar rules, learn full sentences. For example, what do you mean? I'm not sure. Can you repeat that? These are very useful in real life. Trick number 7. Listen more. To learn any language, first you must become a good listener. Even a child learns language by listening first. Children listen again and again. Then slowly they learn to speak. So listening is very important. The more English you listen to, the more natural English will enter your brain. At first, watch slow English videos, videos with subtitles and podcasts. Trick number 8. Do not fear mistakes. The most dangerous problem is, people will laugh if I make mistakes. This fear destroys fluency. Fluent people are not perfect. They just do not stop speaking. Trick number 9. Practice the same topic again and again. Do not practice 50 topics in one day. Practice one topic like, introduce yourself. Speak about it today, again tomorrow, and again the next day. Then it will become automatic. If this video helped you, please like, comment your opinion, and tell me the next topic. Subscribe for more useful videos and turn on the bell icon.